hello Cats in the Kitchen. This is Mimi from AS Dining here at Sutter during our COVID quarantine, giving you some tips in the kitchen. At my house, we've been working on street food. So today, we're gonna make an easy egg sandwich street food. Okay, so the ingredients that we have today are mozzarella cheese, some asparagus, a little bit of nice pork, and that's going to make the filling for our sandwich. So first, we're going to crack some eggs. Then we're going to scramble those up. You can use a fork, you can use a whisk, you can use a spoon, you can use whatever you have on hand. Scramble them up so they're all nice and combined together. I like to add my salt and pepper at that time. We always want to season our food. You can even add any other spices that you want at this time as well. If you want to add a little bit of cayenne, make it a little spicier. Add some dry herbs to make it a little herbier. Add a little soy sauce to make it a little more soy sauce. Alright, so now we have all our ingredients that we need. Now we're going to go over to the stove and I'll show you how it's made. So now, once it's all partially cooked, we're going to take our bagel, but you can use an English muffin, you can use slices of bread, biscuits, whatever you have on hand. Then here comes the tricky part. We're going to flip it, flip it over, and now you can see your eggs on the outside. So now we want to add our cheese, and you can use whatever kind of cheese you like. We're going to put our meat on there, our little bit of asparagus. And this is an easy dish to experiment. Put the ingredients that you like on it. And then you're going to take the edges of the omelet, you're going to fold them in there, encase all your ingredients. You're going to let that cook for a little bit. So this would be something that would be easy. You could make a couple at a time, let them cool, wrap them up nice, put them in the freezer for next time, and then you can just microwave them again. Once again, you can use any kind of ingredients. You can customize this to any way you want. Then you want to flip it over, cook the other side. Get the cheese nice and melty. Make sure the eggs are cooked all the way. Turn down the heat. Alright, let's see what the juicy inside looks like. We're just going to cut ours in half. See what it looks like? Oh, look at that. Nice melty cheese. Yummy. Look for us every Friday for our tips in the kitchen. Look for us on Instagram. And everyone, stay safe out there, stay fed, and don't forget to wash your hands.